Hello, my name is Stephanie, and I'm the founder of Community Innovation Labs. We're a local innovation firm based here in Colorado Springs, and we specialize in research and design of new products and technologies in both hardware and software. And one of the things that is really important to us is when we design something, we want to ensure that it is adopted in the environment that we designed it for. And that was really how we got into workforce training and development, and how we became a trusted partner of BBB and part of this AI Hub, amazing group of people and trainers and experts in the field. In 2026 alone, I've had the pleasure of training over 600 non-technical and technical roles in learning how to use AI in their current environments, either through process improvements or streamlining manual tasks in the factory, or potentially modernizing manual tasks that really could benefit by looking at how things are currently done, applying AI to improve and make those processes even better than they are today. One of the primary things that I like to do in all of our working sessions is make our sessions highly interactive so that you get an opportunity to experiment with the tools, potentially build something in the session and walk away with something tangible. The reason I do that is twofold. One is I'm more of a doer. I don't really want to just talk at you based on prior experience, but I want the opportunity to engage with you and to help you learn how to use these tools in a safe setting where you have the opportunity to ask questions, experiment, ideate, and obviously the more practice you get, the more comfortable you get using these new AI tools. There's a variety of tools. We typically approach it from a skilled workforce standpoint, where you have very manual environments that need to be modernized. And so that's really how we like to work with the workforce and some of the trainings that we do. What I will say is the high touch, high interaction, high engagement is not only fun for you, but it actually is also fun for me too. So with all that being said, I hope to see you in a future session. And if you have an environment that may be a little bit of a laggard and hasn't adopted all the latest cutting edge tools, I think we might be the right fit for you. We really understand how to preserve legacy knowledge and how to capture that legacy knowledge and to utilize new technologies to improve what you're already doing. And so I look forward to meeting you in the near future. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. We look forward to meeting you soon. Bye.